As a lender, why should I work with a credit specialist versus just running my client's credit through a credit analysis like What If Simulator?
So the What If Simulator is great, but very limited in scope. I mean, after all, it's just a computer program. When I analyze a credit report, I'm looking for the most impactful aspects of what's causing that score to go down. So I'm looking at the reasons, and the reasons can be seen in the score factors section of the credit report, and that's what's driving the scores down. So if the top reason is severe delinquency, then you know the most impactful thing to help that person's credit score is going to be removing derogatory information from the report. If you see that credit utilization is the highest reason, your simulator is going to be the best tool for seeing the biggest impact. But then what happens if that client doesn't have the ability to pay down their revolving debt? Well, somebody like me can come into the picture and say, well, this is how we need to adjust or move funds on this person's credit profile to see the biggest impact. And at the same time, we can look at what might be missing from that credit profile that we can help get added to see a score increase, or what's working well that we can optimize and make work even better for that client's credit profile. So we take a more holistic approach than what the simulator can, because again, it's just a computer program. AI is not that advanced quite yet.